Hi, I'm Christy from Adventures in iSTEM, and I'm here with a quick 2-minute tip to help you transition from classroom learning to distance learning. In today's tip, I'm going to show you how to move your lessons from Google Drive to Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to need to do is to create your classes. If you come up here to the plus button, you'll see that here you can either join a class or create a class. So click on create a class and it'll take you through the steps. Once you have your class, you're going to open it up. You're going to come here to class work and you're going to hit the word create. Here you can create an assignment, a quiz assignment, question, material. You can reuse posts from previous years and also from previous classes. So I'm going to hit the word assignment and you're going to give the assignment a title and you can give them the directions. And then we're going to hit add. And that's where you have different options. And the one we want is the one that says Google Drive. Now, if you've recently been working on what you're going to be sharing, it'll show up here. Otherwise, you can go to My Drive and do these. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to hit Add. And you have a couple options. You can set it so that students can view the file. You can do it so that students can edit that one file, or you can make a copy for each student. You can also choose all your classes that you want to send it to. If, however, you want to give it to individual students, you do it for just that class period, and now is where you can choose the individual students that you want to send it to. Give it a due date, a topic, and there you go. That's how to take your lessons from Google Drive to Google Classroom. Thank you for watching another Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.